Welcome to Honor's video covering refunds and recoupments on federal leases. For information about 2014 adjustments that have no impact on payment or result in additional monies due, please refer to these videos. Let's start with the premise that a company overpaid and needs to adjust their Form Honor 2014.
Adjustments that result in less money being owed can be decreasing the price, decreasing the royalty rate, or adding allowances. In other words, the volumes or values in your original report were too high.
When these types of adjustments are made, the two-line adjustment, the reversal and the rebook, will result in a negative total for the royalties due. In these scenarios, a recoupment or refund is required.
For federal leases, Honor prefers that a recoupment is used to recover the overpayment as a credit against the balance of a new positive 2014 report. This means you can submit these types of adjusting lines along with your normal royalty reporting and paying processes and use the royalty due after allowances to recoup your credit.
Let's look at an example. In this scenario, the company originally reported and paid royalties based upon a price of $70 per barrel when it should have been $65 per barrel.
This two-line adjustment starts with the reversal of the original line using the same data but with negative volumes and values.
The corresponding rebook line reports the line with the correct price, volumes, and values. The third line in this example represents the current month's royalty payment of February 2015. The total payment for these three lines is reduced by the credit of the January 2015 corrections.
Note: recoupments and refunds are handled differently for federal and Indian leases. This example covers federal leases only. Indian examples are found in a separate video on honor.gov or on the Honor channel.
If you are unable to recoup your overpayment against future reporting, you may request a refund. A refund is when Honor directs the U.S. Treasury to issue funds for an overpayment. We recommend you contact your appropriate contact here at Honor for further guidance.
Remember, Honor prefers that you include a recoupment in your next report to reduce the amount of money owed, rather than requesting a refund.
Let's look at one more example. This example highlights the fact that you can recoup your credit against other federal leases on the same report. The recoupment or credit is equal to $200. Apply this recoupment to the other federal leases on your report and pay the report's total.
If a refund must be processed before submitting a correcting 2014, contact Honor to request a refund and be prepared to provide this information.
Brief explanation of how the overpayment occurred. Request for a specific amount.
Taxpayer identification number if you are a business, or employer identification number if you are an individual.
A correcting 2014 that shows the net difference totaling the amount requested, or a copy of the check or wire transfer of the original payment if a correcting 2014 is not required, if you overpaid but reported correctly.
The payer name. Bank information, to include bank name, city, state, 9-digit American Banking Association routing number, bank account number, and account designation, whether it be checking or savings.
This completes Honor's video on refunds and recoupments on federal leases. Please see our other videos on the Honor channel. We also encourage you to subscribe to the Honor channel for updates and email us if you have any questions or comments. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you in future modules.